Okay guys, you're trying to patch your tire with a tire plug, and here's the trick. It is tough. It's always been tough to shove it in there. If you don't have the power, you're gonna have to use some other forces. So I've done this a million times over the years, and the only way I do it without like ripping out my shoulder or hurting myself is by using the force of the car to shove it into the tire. As you can see, I got my tire plug, a little bit of glue in there to lube it up and act as glue. Some of these don't require glue, but I've always had these kits and tools. So I can't get the thing in there. I don't have a good angle on shoving it in there. You could move the car to where you use your body weight, but that's under the fender, etc. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll the car forward and shove it in with the ground. Okay, here we go. Go ahead. So you don't break your hand, we're gonna hold it steady with a wrench, and it's gonna be hard to do because I don't have a lot of hands here. And this is for skilled people. No, I mean, people who know how to roll forward gently. Okay, so we do not break our hand. We are going to keep our hand out from under the car, and we are going to roll forward slowly until we shove it in. Go ahead. Real slow forward. Yep. Hang on. Okay, we're going to point this into the ground. Go ahead. Go ahead. Back up a hair. Too much forward that time. Back up a hair. Okay, you got to be real gentle. Okay, go ahead. Okay, we're getting a better angle on the ground. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Inch by inch, yep. Okay, stop. Back up. You see how that works? Okay, you got her in, and now we're gonna rip her out because the plug's already in all the way. And that's the hard part. So use the force of the vehicle, and that's the trick. So let me just shut it down, put her in park, and come out here for a sec and help me out. And then, all right, get someone to hold the camera here. Right on the thing, and then we will rip this out. Like that, and this plug is in there. Yeah. Sometimes you have a little bit of excess to cut off, which you can snip off with your wire snips or what have you.